In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create software architecture diagram using Miro. We will build a simple, clean architecture view with a client, a database, and a labeled connection between them. This is a great starting point for documenting how parts of a system communicate, and you can expand it later with more services and data stores. First, open your Miro board. It can be a new board or an existing one, but it helps to start with some empty space so your diagram has room to grow. Next, go to the left sidebar and click the Shapes icon. This is where you will find the basic building blocks for most architecture diagrams. From the Shapes options, select Rectangle. Rectangles are commonly used to represent a service, application, or client. Now click once on the canvas to place the rectangle. Try to place it toward the left side, since we will add another component to the right. After the shape is on the board, click inside it and type Client App. Keep labels short and specific so the diagram is easy to scan. Then return to the Shapes icon again, and this time choose the cylinder shape, which is a standard symbol for a database. Click on the canvas to the right of your first shape to place the cylinder. Give it enough spacing so the connection line is clear and readable. Click inside the cylinder and type Primary Database. With both components in place, you will connect them. Hover your mouse over the Client App shape until you see blue dots appear around its edges. These dots are connection handles. Click and drag one of the blue dots toward the primary database shape to create a line between them. When you release, Miro will snap the connector into place. Once the line is selected, look for the floating line toolbar. Click the Type menu and select Orthogonal. This creates an elbow-style connector that aligns neatly and gives your architecture diagram a cleaner, more structured look. Next, click the Line Ends menu and add an arrowhead. This helps communicate direction, such as a request flowing from the client to the database. Consistent arrow usage also makes larger diagrams much easier to interpret. Finally, add a label for the connection. Select the Text tool, then click above the line so the label sits close to the connector without overlapping it. Type the protocol, such as HTTPS/JSON. Use the same style of labeling across your diagram so readers understand communication methods at a glance. And that is all there is to it.